All right, hi everybody. Hang on. Let's see. All right, so this quick little video is just about some properties from algebra that are page 104 in the textbook. I would take a picture of it. Take a picture of page 104 and just quickly going through these properties. I don't need you to memorize them, but I need you to be able to recognize them. I think some of them you're going to find you're very familiar with. For example, the addition property of equality. This property says that if A equals B, then A plus C equals B plus C. Now, I'm not going to go through all these in this detail. I just want to mention them. Notice what happens here. They're adding the same thing to both sides of the equation. That's what you did in algebra. Every time you solved an algebraic equation, that you had to add something to both sides of the equal sign. Subtraction property of equality, subtract from both sides. Multiplication, division. You used those repeatedly last year. Repeatedly. Okay, so now here's some other ones. They're a little bit interesting. Some of them are kind of obvious and some of them are a little bit more complex. The first one is the reflexive property of equality. A is equal to A. And I always use this example. If you look in the mirror, what do you see yourself? You see your reflection, and that kind of sounds like reflexive, kind of. So we're going to need this for something that we're going to do later on, which is called deductive reasoning and doing proofs. Symmetric property just says this: if A equals B, then B is equal to A. You can flip them around. The transitive property of equality is a more challenging one. There's no question about it. If A equals B and B is also equal to C, then A is equal to C. So it compares three things and all three of them being equal. Last thing is a substitution property. If A is equal to B, then B can be substituted in for A in any expression. You use the substitution property all the time when you solve for X. Okay, so those are the main algebraic properties that we're going to need to know. Again, take a picture on page 104 in your textbook. Thanks.